This is the inside of a car alarm key fob, and the problem is one of the buttons isn't working properly. This button here is working, you can see the LED coming on, but this button here is intermittent. Well, I can't get it to work at all now. Oh, there we go. So I'm going to resolder this button. I don't think the button itself is faulty, so I'm going to resolder this area around here. I've removed the battery now, and I'll now touch up the soldering. Put some flux around the area. Caught the tape there a little bit. Okay. Clean that up a bit now. Here we are. Now pop the battery back in. Now let's give it a test. Left one is still working as expected. There we go. And now the right one is also working perfectly. Last thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to spray this board with some conformal coating, which will put a thin plastic film over the PCB. I've put a couple of bits of tape on the buttons to stop the plastic going on them. There we are, that's done. Now I'll fit that back into the fob and we'll test it. Here's the fob reassembled, and both buttons are working perfectly.